Have you ever wondered what happens when a bird collides with an airplane? This event, known as a birdstrike, poses a significant threat to aviation safety. As air travel becomes more prevalent, the risk of these wildlife strikes escalates. These incidents are most common during critical phases of a flight, such as takeoff, initial climb, approach, and landing, when aircraft are within close proximity to the ground and wildlife habitats. The aftermath of a birdstrike can be catastrophic. We're talking about potential engine failure, structural damage to the aircraft, and even the obstruction of critical systems. Imagine a bird or any other wildlife colliding with an airplane at high speed. The impact can be tremendous. The aircraft's size, the animal's weight, and the speed at the time of the strike all contribute to the extent of the damage. The effects of a wildlife strike can be devastating, posing a significant risk to aviation safety. The damage from a birdstrike is not uniform and depends on several factors. Let's delve into them. First, the size of the aircraft. Smaller aircraft are generally more vulnerable to wildlife strikes. Why? Their limited size and weight mean they can absorb less energy upon impact, leading to more extensive damage. Next, we have the weight of the animal, which directly influences the energy absorbed upon impact. A larger, heavier bird, for instance, can cause significantly more damage than a smaller one given the greater force involved. Lastly, the speed at impact plays a crucial role. A faster-moving aircraft will have a harder collision than one moving slower, increasing the potential for damage. So, when it comes to the severity of birdstrike damage, it's a combination of factors at play. The size of the aircraft, the weight of the animal, and the speed at impact all play a role in the severity of the damage. Prevention is better than cure, and that's particularly true in aviation. Airports take proactive measures to keep our skies safe. One such measure is perimeter fencing, which keeps non-flying animals at bay. Moreover, bird scaring techniques are employed to make the environment less attractive to birds. These techniques range from simple scarecrows to sophisticated audio-visual devices that mimic natural predators. Aircraft manufacturers also play their part by adhering to stringent airworthiness requirements. These requirements mandate the design and structure of the aircraft to withstand the impact of a birdstrike, thus mitigating potential damage. Then we have the unsung heroes of aviation safety, our air traffic controllers. They actively monitor the airspace for any signs of birds or other wildlife. This crucial information is relayed to flight crews, facilitating early detection and prevention of hazardous situations. Through preventive measures, vigilant monitoring, and mitigation strategies, we can work towards safer skies for all.